Ready to ditch the text-heavy Trello boards and inject some visual life into your project management? Let's explore how to use video to transform your Trello workflow from cluttered to crystal clear. First, locate the card you want to enhance with video. It could be in any list or stage of your workflow. Click to open the card now. Look for the description field or the attachment section. If you're adding a file directly, these are your key locations. Embedding a video from YouTube or Vimeo is super simple. Just copy the video's URL from the address bar back in Trello. Paste the URL directly into the description field. Trello will automatically create a preview thumbnail. Want to add a video file directly from your computer? Click the attachment button. Choose the video file you want to upload. Keep in mind that Trello has file size limitations, so larger videos might require using a video hosting service and embedding the link. Videos can provide visual context for tasks, offer step-by-step tutorials, or even showcase project demos. Imagine using a video to explain a complex design concept or to provide feedback on a user interface. With video, your Trello boards become more engaging and efficient, making collaboration a breeze. So go ahead and add video to your boards and see how much more effective they become. Now you're ready to level up your Trello experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks.